If you have deleted your important photos on your Android mobile and you wanted to get those back, then here is a solution for you. Now you can recover your deleted photos from Android mobiles in 3 easy steps. The best part is that you don't need to root your mobile. Open this website URL that you can see here. The software name is Any Android Data Recovery. This easy to use software can recover your deleted photos, videos, messages, deleted WhatsApp messages, and much more from your Android phone. You can also recover your data from memory card as well. This software is compatible with 7,000 plus Android devices from various brands. If you go to the download tab, you can see different softwares like iOS Data Recovery Tool, Data Recovery from Mac Tool, iOS System Repair Tool, Windows Data Recovery Tool, Any Android Data Recovery Tool, and many more. You need to download Any Android Data Recovery Tool. Once downloading is complete, click on the file to install the software on your laptop. I have already installed the software, so I am going to launch the software and I will show you how easy it is to recover those deleted photos. This is the main interface. You can recover WhatsApp data, you can recover lost photos, and you can also recover other type of lost data. Click on Recover Lost Photos. If your mobile is connected with the computer, then you might see this screen. At this screen, you can see the process to enable the USB debugging mode. Let me show you how to enable USB debugging on most of the Samsung devices. Go to Settings, navigate to About Device or About Phone, click on Software Info, tap 7 times on Build Number and your developer mode will be enabled. I have already enabled the developer mode. Now go back to Settings and you will find the developer options. Open it. Make sure developer option is on. In debugging section, USB debugging should also be enabled. Once this is done, go back to first screen of your software. Click on Recover Lost Photos. It will detect your device model. Click on Start button to scan your mobile. It will take some time to scan your mobile device. This time depends on the storage space. More storage space you have, more time it will take to scan. Once scanning is complete, you can see the photos that can be recovered by this software. You can click on Select All to recover all the scanned photos, or you can select multiple photos as well to recover only a few photos. Let's find those 2 photos which were deleted in the start of this video. Here are those 2 photos, select them. You can select any number of photos, it is up to you. Once you are done, click on Recover and select the location where you want to save your recovered photos. Any Android data recovery software will save these photos on your selected location. Now go to the folder that you have selected. Here you can see your recovered photos. So if you think this is easy method to recover your deleted photos and you also wanted to recover your photos, then go to the official website of Any Data Recovery and buy this software. Also don't forget to hit the like button on this video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel Mobile Fun and also hit the notification bell to get updates from our channel. Thank you for watching.